out some contest rules, but the contest is going to be terminated since no one wanted to participate. It blows my mind. I'm out here doing things for you guys to get some free crap. Well, not crap, but free stuff. And I was going to put my time into making one of the prizes for y'all, you know? And, my heart's in the right place. So I'm giving back, which is more than I could say for some people who claim they help the community. They're not really helping. Putting out a few videos doesn't really help anybody. Really, really. When you start donating and, doing things for the community, now you're talking. Now you're helping. So I tried to do just that. I've donated quite a few tools, and I've taken donations in for my contest. But not many people wanted to participate. It just blows my mind that, I just can't figure it out, I don't know. So I don't care either way. I'm doing my part, and that's all you can do. And my heart's in the right place. That's all God cares, is that I mean well. And I'm going to be all right regardless. If no one wants free tools that they can use to make money with, then, that's fine by me. So all of you guys, I'm talking about all of you, must be making buku bucks to be able to not want free tools and pass that up. You guys must got money falling out your pockets. You walking around like the Goodyear blimp with them fat pockets. You must be fat in the pockets and fat in the belly for you not to want free tools. But all right, that's all I wanted to say. Just blows my mind when you try to help people and they don't even want to help. I don't get it. I don't get the person that doesn't want free stuff. I don't get it. I mean, I'm not twisting your arm, am I? God damn. I did the right thing. That's all I could say. I meant well. My heart was in the right place. But, hey, if no one participates, what the hell can I do? That just means I'm boring as all hell, I guess. So, I don't know, man. But then again, it's not many people that got involved with my contest anyway. Those who did won over and over and over again. I had it where you had it set up where I had a nice little thing for y'all, man. My portable setup that I was going to build for one of yous. And this thing right here. This, I got to tell you, I'm waiting till I get a job with decals on the window. Now, we all know there's different methods of getting decals off. I like to use a heat gun because it softens the material up and I could pull it without it ripping. You gotta know what you're doing with that. You can't hold it too close. But anyway, some people just like to hack at it, But you're tearing up the blade. You can risk tearing up the window. I don't like doing all that hacking, with a blade. It's just, it's not necessary. But that wheel, that rubber wheel, you hook up to a drill and it spins around and it strips, without harming the glass, it strips those decals off there like you wouldn't believe. And there's other uses for it. I'll be putting in a thorough review on it in the coming months when I get some decals. I can go find some. I know where I can go find some. I'm just not eager to go there because the guy's cheap. But yeah, he's one of them Indian guys. They like doing business with Americans, but they don't like spending money with Americans. You feel me? But all right.
Figure it out. I don't know if they're power washing or are they cleaning the windows. You guys are just power washing or you cleaning the windows? Yeah, power washing. Oh, plus cleaning the window? Well, we got brushes right a little bit. They go open that out. Oh, it's only one. Oh, okay. Right. Hey, just the guys, you know? I mean, that's the main thing. Inside you do it yourself. Yeah, it's true. Yeah. All right.
Yo. Did you see what the way they was doing it? Did you see the nastiness on that window? Oh my great googa mooga. Yo, that rubber was wrecked. I mean, beyond wrecked. You think that guy you saw in my video a few years back, who I gave a razor red rubber to, and he used that same razor red rubber for 8 months. You think that was paper thin? This might have not been as paper thin, but I mean, it was wrecked. Even his rubber, as long as he had it in there, wasn't as bad as shape. And I'm sure he cleans a lot more windows than they do. That thing looked like they ran it on the cement and squeegeed off water off the ground or something. What's the point? Did you see all the crap left behind? What was the point of getting the water off the windows? It's no point. He streaked them all up. He'd have been better off just leaving them wet, because he just smeared all that dirt in there. You gotta agitate. Power washing just don't cut it. Somebody tell these people this. Because they ain't listening to me. They can barely speak English. Unbelievable. I think I done seen it all now. Unbelievable. All right, this is Masters at Wagtail. That just made me laugh. That just made my day. I have never seen anything like it. It's amazing they stay in business. Oh my word. Whew. Hey y'all, don't do what they do. Trust me, don't do it. You'll be out of business quick. Back a fracker.